Hey, Kat Chancellor here with Stamp Art Connection and StampArtConnection.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I wanted to take the opportunity to show you one of the newest kits that has been put out by Stampin' Up! And I want to explore it because I have my reasons. You can probably expect to see a sale coming soon on these kits, and I want to make sure that you have the best opportunity to kind of see how much value these have. And I know that there are a lot of people out there that are staying cool indoors with this massive heat wave that is going across the country, that you might need to be doing something, and maybe this is something that you could probably enjoy doing. Take advantage of all the different types of kits that are available, and do some fun crafting indoors while you're staying out of the heat. So I'm just unpacking what you can expect to find in the kit. You'll get stamp, you'll get stamp spot, you'll get the photopolymer stamps, and you'll get this packet here. I'm going to open this up, and in here you get the dimensionals and you get your little block. You also have a twine, and you're going to get some envelopes. So let's see what else. Oh, here are your instructions. I'm going to just set that there for reference, and here are my card blanks. Here are all my pieces and parts, and I have two types of card blanks. And let's see, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 of each, so I think I can make 8 cards. I've got that card blank and that card blank. Now, because I have this color, I'm going to go ahead and pull out my big stamp pad for pecan pie. And what I'm going to do with this, Paper Pumpkin offered a organization grid in one of their kits. So I basically just kind of put this in my organizational grid. There's other projects, other techniques you can do using these small little ink spots. So I just kind of like to keep them on hot standby for when I need them. That's another great benefit of Paper Pumpkin, is you get those little stamping spots, and that you can go ahead and use them for other projects. Now, here are the photopolymer stamps, and every kit you get a block, which is really kind of cool. So let's see, I save these are great for when you're mailing cards in a mailer. All right, so we have umbrellas, we have leaves. These are what we're going to use. We're going to stamp our sentiments on these, so let's put them over here. We have more leaves, and then we have these wonderful little chairs. These are your little glue spots, but I go ahead and I just use my regular glue, and I kind of put these aside too, but you can use that. We also have twine, and I think the twine is used on both cards. We've got some twine that we use right behind the sentiment, and then we wrap some twine around the actual little placard here. I'm going to need 1, 2, 3, 4, probably 4 at 7 inches. So I'm just going to go ahead and start snipping my twine. Okay, so I have those 4 pieces there, and I have 4 12-inch lengths and 4 7-inch lengths. And I've got a little bit left over. What I like to do to get my photopolymer stamps ready is I have one of these white hard erasers that I use. What I like to do is I just like to take and I just kind of rub that against my stamp, and it's ready for stamping. So we're going to put these aside, and what we're going to do is speed this up and watch the card come together. So there you have it, just a few quick steps, and you can put together these lovely cards. This is part of the BOHO Beach Kit. It's available at Stampin Up. You get all the supplies you need. You get a block, you get stamps, you get dimensionals, and you get little glue dots. I chose to go ahead and use the glue that I had on hand, but you can see that the result is very much the same. So please look out for these kits. You may be seeing a sale soon, and that's the opportunity to pounce. This is Kat Chancellor for Stamp Art Connection and StampArtConnection.com. Happy stamping.